He has to balance on here to make sure the lights are working.
Having like a party or something on this side. Oreo, and that's the one that's the most out.
This is a nice park. Look at that thing right there. Uber Eats just came and I'm getting plates ready. These are all boxes of chicken. And the place was called Chicken and Biscuits, I thought. But it ended up coming from Cracker Barrel. But I ain't complaining. So we got a whole bunch of chicken. These are filled up. Side of fries. Coleslaw, which I'm already digging in. I love coleslaw. Macaroni and some biscuits. While I was ordering it, the kids went to school. What did y'all do?
We went to a fun party place at school.
Did y'all have like a carnival or something, or a circus?
A carnival.
At your own school? You guys are spoiled. What's on your cheek?
Tattoo.
Wow, that's a Pokemon tattoo. He's spoiled. I stayed here with Faith. As you can see, she was tired.
In the mirror.
You gonna look in the mirror? Cool. The food's here, Aaliyah. How was your time?
Good.
It was good? Okay. Your back's hurting? Uh-oh, look like somebody just woke up. Oh, you were sad you had to leave? Aw. Do you have fun, Sean? Mm-hmm. So Kendrick turned up.
Yes, he's very upset.
He
still wanted to bowl. That was his favorite thing there was bowling.
Oh. Well, it's okay. Did you have fun?
No.
What?
You're messing up your face paint. Look at your face painting is getting messed up now.
Yeah.
And I told him, now we know what he wants for Christmas. You
What?
want a bowling set, right? He wants the jumbo bowling set.
Is that right, Kendrick? The ball was huge.
The pins are like this tall.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, they have weight at the bottom and you throw the ball. And he was pretty good at it. I got some footage of it.
So, babe, there's a place called Chicken and Biscuits on Uber Eats. But guess what it was? Cracker Barrel.
Yeah, I'm like, why is there a Cracker Barrel?
Well, yeah.
Or is it a pop-up shop at Cracker Barrel?
Oh, I think it's a pop-up shop.
I think it's a pop-up shop.
But it looks like they're same recipe. So today we're getting our lights put up above the pool. We have Eddie of all trades here and he's putting this up. If you're in Arizona, I'm gonna pop up a screenshot of his Google so you can find him. He does good work. He does anything. He did everything back here actually. Even to put up the pool. They're out here working hard out here, y'all. He has to balance on here to make sure the lights are working. He's getting up there. Always has quality work, by the way. Always working hard. But they're getting it. It's coming along, y'all. It's looking really good. Look at that. Man, this is gonna be beautiful at night. How do you think it looks, babe?
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah, it looks very nice. I love how that side's captured because there's nobody next to us, so the roadway can capture this nice size.
Yeah.
Or if we're having like a party or something on this side,
right.
Lighting it crisscrosses around.
How bright you think it's gonna be? Think it's gonna be bright enough?
Yeah, I mean it's gonna provide some zen.
Some zen. It looks nice. It really does. And it kind of holds our sun cell up nicely.
It holds it up. And then we also talked about, Eddie was suggesting probably getting another pole towards the middle of the pool.
Yeah, over here.
And then get like some wiring. Ooh, see how it just went up higher?
Yeah, so wiring to pull it up higher.
Yep, we're gonna create a tension
Mm-hmm.
from that middle pole whenever we do this. And it'll come up against the top of the house.
Oh, that'll be perfect. Description box below, I'm gonna pin contact information for Eddie of all trades. He is licensed.
He's licensed, so if you're in Arizona,
there you go.
Specifically,
well, anywhere in Arizona.
Phoenix metropolitan area. There you go. That's
or outside of Phoenix.
Yes.
Yeah, he'll come and
hit him up. He does a great job. We've been rocking with him since like literally before we even moved in this house.
Yeah, he's done everything in the house.
Yes.
Our Jersey Mike's just got some food. Let me see that bag, Kate Money, that I just gave you.
Oh,
I was telling the fire squad we got Jersey Mike's, but we Ubered it, right? But we picked it up. Isn't that weird?
That's new. Well, it's new to us.
Uber pickup instead of Uber to the house?
Yes.
We got a lot. We got like 3. They're supposed to be the giant subs.
The giant ones.
Hopefully it's enough to feed everybody, babe.
I hope so.
This is so good. I love this Dr. Pepper Zero. I'm telling you, y'all, try it if you like sodas. What did you find? Oh Lord, you have your allowance? Like the food shortage hasn't hit Safeway. I'll tell you that. They look stocked. What do you see, man?
Guys, look at
Captain Crunch Berry. What is this? Is that like a Rice Krispie? What in the world? He's going crazy. Found something new. It's a Chex Mix, strawberry and yogurt. Comment down below if you heard of this new Chex Mix. It's whole grain, 130 calories per half a cup. How much was it? You remember? You found it.
Come on.
He said, come on. Okay. Let's see where Cash is taking us. He knows where it's at. Did you get it from over here? It is $3.99. That is not cheap. 2 for $6. That's not cheap at all. Lordy. Oh, they got a new Snyder pretzel, Cash. I used to love the jalapeno ones. So this is jalapeno and ranch. This looks delicious.
What's this?
And these are $3.99, Cash. That's the ones I like. I like the honey mustard ones. And I like jalapenos. Some milky milk.
One for our fridge in the room.
Yeah.
And then the regular one.
Right. Look at Cash. What'd you grab? He always grabbing something. I know I've shown this before, but it looks like they have some new meals here. That looks good. The prime rib roast beef with mushroom gravy. This is the savory skillet meals, babe. Look at this. This is new carnitas. Look at the street tacos. That looks delish.
Limited time flavor.
$3.99 each too. So we got a taste test coming up soon, huh? We're gonna be finding the new stuff for our taste test. This is like a browse shopping right now. What is this? Pog. Oh, it's passion fruit, babe, orange and guava. That actually sounds really good. I haven't heard of this brand before. Summer Bliss. That's Summer Berry. Tropicana. This looks new. It's $2.49. Babe, there's a new Florida Natural. Look, raspberry and peach. You know what, Leah would love that.
Yeah.
$2.99. She would love it. And it's a lemonade too. Seen this, y'all, and wanted to show you almond joy, apple candy, Reese's, English toffee, apple pie, and pecan almond praline.
This is San Francisco Chocolate Factory.
Oh, it's $5.99. I want it so bad, but I know it's not good for me. But this right here, which one? Comment down below. Which one would you get? This one, the pecan, the apple, English toffee chocolate, or almond joy, or the Reese's?
I would get this one.
What is that? What do you got? A different one?
Oreo, and that's the one that's the most out.
And how much is this again? $5.99. Look at Cash. Cash is like, oh my gosh. Oh Lord. Got home. These kids didn't even want to sit at the table. Just dug into the sub. What happened to the other sub? There was 2 big ones. Oh my goodness,
There's
babe.
a little piece in there.
That's it. Sean, we're gonna save that.
You didn't see that to me?
Why didn't y'all sit down and eat at the table?
Because it was so busted and I already ate.
Oh my goodness, they tore this food up, y'all. Jersey Mike's who? Gone. Hey, that's Cash's. How many pieces you had? One. Told you all earlier that I was gonna show you how the lights look now at night. So let's see.
They look amazing.
You like them?
Yes, I love them.
You all like them? Eddie put them up. Remember handyman Eddie? You like it? And I'm getting a timer, so at a certain time of the night it's gonna come on by itself, but in the daytime it'll be off. But this is gonna be really nice when we have parties, right, babe?
Yes.
This is gonna be lit.
It's like all lit up out here.
It is lit up,
So
huh?
we can have our tables here. We can have something going on right there. It's perfect.
It really is. I really like. Comment down below what do you think about it. What do you say, Sean?
We can eat outside. You can grill.
Yeah, we could. Yeah, we'll eat outside more often now since we have all this light. Yeah, we do have our table. Should I turn the light off to take a look? Yeah, that's how it looks. And this is with the light off. So just turn the light off. It's enough light back here. I think it's a good amount, right, babe? Yeah.
You don't want to go.
Cash, me, and Sean are going for a walk. Come on, Sean, get your shoes on. We're gonna do morning walks every morning because it helps start our day. What do you got? You're a cornball. So let's go for our little walk in the neighborhood, get a workout. From what I understand, if you just like do a walk in the morning, it helps your energy throughout the day. Comment down below if that's true, and what do you do to get some activity. Let's go. Cash is far ahead. Cash, where are you going? Wait for us, silly. Which way you want to go? That way? Okay. Oh, look at the mountains today. Looks nice. Come on, Cash. Let's go, man. Sean, I need to check the mailbox too. As you can see, they're still building up houses in our neighborhood. It keeps making noise. Did you make this in school, and what is it called?
Called the whistleblower.
This is called a whistleblower. I don't know. I think this is called, is it a harmonica? I don't know.
Yeah, it is, but
Let me hear this noise it makes.
it'd be like this.
Oh Lord, that's too loud. Mom came over here finally to meet up with us.
And I am not ready, y'all.
You look beautiful. Stop it. Get in your cart. Let's go across the street. We're going to a different park. This is the one in the neighborhood. We're gonna go to the one across the street because it's a little better. That's for another video.
I just put some clothes on myself and the kids just to play.
Yeah, we're gonna do Squid Games 24-hour challenge. Just letting you know.
Those steps were making me busy. It literally scratched my hand.
You okay?
Yeah, because the steps are making me crazy.
What do you mean? How does that work? We got this cart from Amazon. Let's see. It's awesome. Yeah, you roll it up and then it's something you tuck in. I don't know. Oh, you see this? This is like to hold on to it or something. There it goes. Hey, are y'all having fun? They having a ball. Come on, let's walk.
No, I actually need the aloe vera.
You need aloe vera? They keep finding aloe vera.
I got aloe vera.
It grows wild out here. Babe, the bench stains your butt. What the world? It look like a design. Girl, looking a hot mess. It's gone. It's kind of gone. She just said my back's like that.
Your butt.
And my butt too? I don't have a butt. I'm gonna be
So
honest.
you expect me to do it, but you just called me out and didn't help. But you stop and turn in.
Thank you. Thank you for helping me.
Dang.
Thank you, baby.
I help.
Your help? I ain't trying to touch you down there. All right, your legs. Okay. Hold hands, even though I know you don't want to. Stop, stop. When you go across the street, look both ways. Wait for us though. See, cars are coming. Hold my hand. Car, hurry. Oh my gosh, you guys are crazy. All right, to the sidewalk. They're pulling me. You guys never move this fast. Come on, mama. Look at that little flag on top. I like your flag. I like your flag. Cash just gave mom a flower. That was so cute. Cash, he's a lover. This park is small, babe. Where's the big park? Over there? It's far, huh? Let's go to the big park.
To the bigger one.
Cool!
Yeah, your school's over. Here's the big park. This one has swings, it has a basketball court. It's about her school. This is a lot nicer, it has shade right there. Look at Cash running. Come across the street, careful. Woo. Look at these, I got the flops on with the socks. Oh, this is a nice park. Look at that thing right there, what is that? This is a nice park. I like how the swings are all in a circle, that's cool. And then this grass is beautiful. I wanna just run down this grass or roll down it, Cash. Like a big kid. Now, what is this thing? Comment down below, have you ever seen one of these at a park? What is that? That's so weird. Does it spin? Let me see. It does spin.
I'm about to get in.
You gonna get in it? Get in it, Cash. Get in. Faith, get in. Faith getting in. Kendrick, get in. I'll spin you guys. All right.
It's like with a boat shaker.
Whoa. This thing is hard to spin. Need a few hands.
Oh my goodness! You hear that sound?
I know. Y'all, this is our family vlog. Popping up
Yes.
on the screen is another video. Go ahead and watch it. Binge watch us. Enjoy us. This is a day in the life.
Yes. Stay blessed and highly favored.
Peace.